हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 9th फिजिक्स को हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा देते हैं। ठीक है, आज हम लोग ये पढ़ने वाले हैं कि जो एक्सेलरेशन होता है वो कितने टाइप्स का होता है। ठीक है, चलिए इसके पहले आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं हमारे चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी आपके साथ पढ़ाई कर सके। ठीक है, चलिए यहाँ पे मैंने आपको दिखाया है कि आपको टोटल 5 टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन देखने को मिल रहे हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन, सेकंड वन इज नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन, थर्ड वन इज जीरो एक्सेलरेशन, फोर्थ यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन एंड फिफ्थ वन इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन और यू कैन से वेरिएबल acceleration. Okay, so there are 5 types of acceleration you have to read out in your chapter. I'm going to clarify all the 5 acceleration with definition and a single examples. Okay, the first one is positive acceleration. You are seeing here I have written some definition of that. If velocity increases, this is known as positive acceleration. Okay, if velocity is going to be increases, the acceleration is said to be positive acceleration. Now come for negative acceleration. If velocity decreases, you have to call it negative acceleration. Okay, you have to call it negative acceleration. Now come for zero acceleration. The change in velocity would be zero. For zero acceleration, when the initial velocity is subtracted from final velocity, or you can say that when the difference between the first and final velocity is equals to zero, the acceleration comes in that case would be zero acceleration. Okay, now come for uniform acceleration. In the case of uniform acceleration, the change in velocity in each interval of time is what? Same. It means that if you are moving in a train, okay, if you are moving in a train and the speed of that train is equal at every interval of time, like when you are sitting in the train at 9 p.m, the speed of that train is 46 kilometer per hour. Okay, now after 10 minutes the speed of the train is same, equals to what? 46 kilometer per hour. Now after every 10 minutes the speed of the train is same. In that case you can say that this is uniform acceleration of the train. Are you getting? If nothing changes, if nothing change means if the velocity is not going to be changed anymore in every interval of time, you can say that the body is moving with uniform acceleration. Okay, now come to non-uniform, or it is also known as variable acceleration. Okay, in this case the change in velocity is not same. Okay, in uniform acceleration at every interval of time the change in velocity is same. Okay, but in non-uniform case at each interval of time the velocity, or you can say the uniform velocity, is not attaining all the time, so that it is coming under what? Non-uniform acceleration. Now I am showing you some examples of each type of acceleration to clarify it in details. Okay, now see this is an example of positive acceleration. It is written here, ball rolling down on an inclined plane. Okay, if a ball, suppose that this is an inclined plane and a ball is here, this is rolling downside on an inclined plane, so this is an example of what? This is an example of positive acceleration. Okay, now in the case of negative acceleration, suppose this is an inclined plane and the ball is moving upward. Okay, the ball is moving upward with the help of force from backside. Okay, in that case the acceleration is said to be what? Negative acceleration. Now for zero acceleration, when you parked your vehicle, when you parked your car, or you can say train moving with constant speed, a train which is moving with constant speed gives what? Zero acceleration. Now in case of uniform acceleration, the example is like that, body falling from height towards earth. Suppose that you are falling from a height towards earth. In that case your bones are going to be fractured, but this is the definition of what? uniform acceleration. It means your body is accelerating uniformly towards the earth's center. Okay, now so that you should have to learn how to fly in the sky, because if you are falling on the earth, you are going to break in your heart. Oh sorry, you are going to break in your bones. Okay, thank you so much for learning with us, and I hope you all are okay in this lockdown. And now, the first and the last request to you all is that please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Give a single like and comment your feedback in the drop box. Thank you.